First grade teachers. I'm excited about Safety Town on Thursday. I wanted to quickly go over the schedule, a couple of things about the schedule. This is similar to last year's schedule, but there's some tips and tricks I want to throw at you this morning that might be helpful. You'll notice two things when you look at your schedule. First of all, down the left-hand side is a number and then the name of the class. That number is the station that you will start at. So, for example, Miss Gaso and Miss Rena are number 1, so they're going to start at station 1. Across the top are the station numbers and the names of the station. So, for example, Miss Gaso and Miss Rena would start at number 1, which is 18-wheel safety. Miss Post, who is number 2, will start at station 2, which is pedestrian safety. Miss Malky, number 3, will start at number 3, which is at 9 o'clock, which is traffic safety, and so on. That one's pretty simple. Where we tend to get our confusion is when we start switching. So what I've done is, and I'll just use Miss Ramsey's as an example, what I've done is in your boxes I have placed a copy of the schedule and I've highlighted your name, highlighted the start time, which is 9 o'clock, and then I've also highlighted the whatever station you're supposed to start at. So here's what I would recommend is 9 o'clock. Once you're done with that station at 9 o'clock, go ahead and mark it off. And then you'll know you would go to the next station, which is 9:15. You're going to go to the next station, Miss Ramsey in this case, station 7. 9:15 to 9:30. When they blow the whistle, or when you get to that station, mark it off. And do the same thing. Now here's the key all the way across. Now here's the key. When you get to the very end, whatever time it is on the end, when you get to station 12, unless you're group 1, you will go all the way back to station 1 and you'll start again. And if you're marking them off, you'll find that by the time you get done, the only stations you'll have left will be those that you have not marked off. Now, I'm also be very, very careful that just because your presenter may be finished a few minutes early, you don't move until they blow the air horn that says it is time to move. You go ahead and wait until that happens. If we don't do that, what happens is somebody quickly moves from one station to the next, and so we end up having double people at a particular station and not enough at another. And in that case, we'll send you back to that station that you need to be at and don't want to have to do that. So be sure that you follow the schedule. If you have any questions, just connect with me in the morning and I'll help you as much as I can. Thanks.